AFC Ghana. Okay, for third place we have AFC Chile. AFC Chile. Okay, second place we have AFC Brazil. AFC Brazil. So anyway,
Takashi!
the Ateneo Football Center coaching staff would like to thank all the girls that supported us this module. Okay? So before we award the medals for the champion team, we have a special championship t-shirt for the champion team. Okay, for the sponsored by Castrol. So the champion team, after you get your medals, you can proceed to our champions corner for your team picture taking. Okay, so champion team, we have AFC Ivory Coast. Either we got.